Hello, friends. Today we're going to tell you about one of the most recognizable and respected machines ever to come off the assembly line of Soviet engineering, the T-40 tractor. This is not just a tractor. It's a true legend that served farmers, agronomists, and machine operators for decades across the Soviet Union and beyond. It became a symbol of reliability, durability, and technical simplicity, qualities that are valued regardless of time. Mass production of the T-40 began in 1961 at the Lipetsk tractor plant. From its earliest years, it proved itself as a versatile helper, compact yet powerful, simple yet functional. Its maneuverability, high ground clearance, and stability allowed it to work in places where other machines would give up, on steep slopes, in swampy terrain, and on rocky ground. One of its key technical features was its air-cooled diesel engine. This was a breakthrough decision. In the harsh winters and remote northern areas, the tractor didn't need complicated preparation to start and worked steadily even in severe cold. Its fuel-efficient engine also played an important role. Less fuel consumption meant higher efficiency. Over time, the T-40 underwent several modifications. Versions with enclosed cabins, improved brakes, and reinforced axles were introduced. The T-40A, for example, came with a front-wheel drive axle, greatly expanding its capabilities under tough working conditions. The T-40M and T-40AM variants provided even greater reliability and comfort for the driver. Its use was not limited to crop farming. Thanks to its versatility, it was used in orchards, livestock farms, construction, and municipal services. With the help of attachments, the T-40 could plow, sow, mow, transport goods, and even clear snow-covered roads. It was a true workhorse, day after day, year after year. Production lasted for more than 30 years, the clearest proof of how successful this design was. In 1995, production officially ceased, but a huge number of these machines are still working reliably to this day. Somewhere in the heartlands of Russia, in the fields of Ukraine, on farms in Kazakhstan, and even in parts of Eastern Europe, the T-40 is still getting the job done. It became a part of history, a true monument to an era when machines were built not for just one season, but for decades. Easy to repair, low maintenance, and impressively durable, that's exactly why it's still loved and appreciated by its owners today. To conclude, the T-40 is not just a tractor. It's a witness of its time, a symbol of labor, reliability, and engineering genius. It's a machine that carries the spirit of a whole era, honest, hardworking, and resilient. If you, like us, appreciate the history of machinery, respect engineering heritage, and love machines that never give up, be sure to subscribe to our channel. In future episodes, we'll share even more stories about forgotten but great machines of the past. Thank you for watching, friends. See you next time.